Hello. Okay. Hey everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is a US session and 11th November. Okay. Okay. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trade. And then with that, I think we proceed with the live trades. Okay, we in fact tonight the U.S. bank holiday and Canada also bank holiday. In fact, French also. In fact, three banks are holiday. And yet, I think the gold we have seen about more than $30 move, and all the dollar strength is been happening. So even though there is no data, and I think the dollar strength persists, and also I believe the US stocks also is making record highs ever since this US elections come into play. Okay, now we proceed with our trade uh, analysis. Okay, let's see, we have any other open trades. Okay, we don't have any open trade, so we have a pound buying at the extreme level, pound and euro dollar. Okay, and we have dollar Sing, New Zealand, Aussie, and all. I think all this we may need to extend the time. Okay, we may need to extend the time, and we will see how this thing happens. Okay, how later we'll do the adjustments, then you try to trade it. Okay, as far as this euro is concerned, I think we were trying to sell at 695. Also, I think we didn't get an entry, and followed by the pound, we are trying to sell at 12905. So maybe we'll try to do our goal first. Then after that, we will see whether we can look into dollar, yen, pound, and let's see any other opportunities. So let's start off with gold. Okay, gold right now, this looks pretty weak. And this is trading below well below previous day low, and in fact current day low is current week low. So that means there is a lot of weakness that has been happening on gold. And also uh, we feel that the 2646 is a bit critical. Once this level breaks, then we may see a lot of stops trigger, and may price move even lower. Okay, on the other hand, I think we have a current day high which is 2686. So within that, we have a previous 360 high which is 2663. So we should be using the 2663 as a benchmark, and we should be trying to take the trades. Okay, now the only issue now is we have to uh, pay close attention to see whether we are breaking that 2646. So either the market may uh, so-called may hold, or if it breaks, then we may see uh, further weakness. Okay, so these are the things which we need to take note. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's start looking at the thing. Okay, remember I said this afternoon. In fact, we need to do the the TP. Okay, what do I mean by trade? That means we need to have a trade plan, before we put in any trades. So this trade plan is basically we are going to trade the trade, and we will see if the market is in our favor, we'll stick to our plan and we will take the profit. If it goes against, then we should know what should be done and how we can go about. So to start off with, to do the trade plan, we need to see how is the trend going and what was the time, and mainly we have to focus is the time belt. Okay, the difference between the trend and the trade plan is the trade plan we need to focus on the time. So when we look into this, okay, uh, okay, let's say we see here, okay, this is, in fact, the daily is trading below the previous day low, and weekly is flat because it's trading above 2646 half. Okay, so as of now we see the time control is your 120, 240, 360 all are pointing down. So I think we should be able to go for a sell. So let's look into the chart, then we decide what we want to do. Okay, looking at the daily. Okay, now this market is trading near the critical low. Okay, this is trading near the critical low, and we got to see whether this 2646 holds or breaks. If it breaks, then further weakness is expected. Okay, if it breaks, further weakness is expected, and if it doesn't break, then we can see in a range trading. So if it breaks, then how far we can see is we can see 2630, 26 22 or 25. Okay, and we have one small minor support at 38. So these are the key levels for us to take note. Okay, now we see now how we are going to trade. Okay, now this is trading in between. Okay, this market is somewhere caught in between the range. So what we should be doing is we should be trying to sell at 2663 if we see that price 2662 or 2663. And if you ask me for a buy, then we have to see whether a low is seen. Okay, so let's see the chart. Since there is no data out tonight, okay, market is trading below the open, and 62, if we are buying, we should exit before 62. Okay, that is the clue. And if we are buying, then I think the current low is 52 half. We try to buy at 50. Okay, so the trade setup, what we are looking at, see, like the trade plan. Okay, I told you this trade plan. Okay, this trade plan comes into play by looking at the time. Okay, the time just started. So for the 2 hours, if we see weakness, we should be seeing below 57 half, and the weakness should be going towards 47. Okay, 47 or 50. So as of now, I think there is nothing much we can do because this is caught in between the range. So we'll try to buy at 50 and put a stop at 46, and TP, remember we got to exit before 61, so we'll try to exit at 57, 57 half. Then on the other hand, we will try to sell at 62 and 62 or 64. I think 62 there is a strong resistance, 62, 63. So 63, stop at 66 and TP at 56. Okay, so we have two trades set up here. We can't do market because the market is not trading, because it's trading at critical levels. Okay, now two orders. Two six five zero zero 46 2657 half, and this one the expiry is, we'll put it as 2 hours from now. Okay, that means until 2300 hours. And as of now, I think this should be your the 2 hours is going to be your trade control. Next, we try to sell two six six three 67 $4, and we, if we feel that this low is going to break, then we'll try to exit at near the low. Okay, 2653. Okay, this is a $10 move which we can grab, and this is again, we put expiry until 2300 hours. So now we can't put in any trade now, because the reason being is it is trading in a very awkward levels. Okay, and also I think 66, let me see, yeah. So now our trade plan is these are the two trades. Okay, one buy, one sell. So let's get ourselves prepared for the alternate plan, meaning in the event if we get stopped out, or the strength is more than expected, or the weakness is more than expected. So the next one would be if my 62 gets stopped out, then I may want to sell again at 68. Okay, that would be my alternate 68 or even 70. Okay, 70 should be your next level of entry, 68 or 70. So that one, in the event, okay, let's say the selling order gets stopped out. So we got to try to sell at 2670, stop at 74 half, and this one I think we can still get at 56, 2656. Okay, this is and this one I think we can put in until another 4 hours. So that means until 1 a.m. Okay, since there is no data, I think we can afford to put this trade at much longer time. Okay, so this one is, we'll try to sell. Let's assume that the other side is get filled. Okay, then as far as the downside move is concerned, if the 46 breaks, that means if we get stopped out, okay, that one I think we got to be careful, because we cannot be going for a buy, because once it breaks, we may see the price accelerating and lot stop trigger, then we should see the price moving lower. So that part, I think, unless we want to put in a lower, but usually when the price is breaks the support, I think it's very hard to predict how low it can go. Sometimes the weakness can be very very nasty. So we don't want to go for a buy for that thing, and we don't have any alternate plans if our 50 is stopped out. Okay, so this is the signal for gold. Okay, now we go in back to dollar yen. Okay, let's look at dollar yen. Okay, right now this is trading at 153.90. Okay, the dollar yen is trading at 153.90, and this is above previous day high and below previous week low. So that means we expect the price to move higher towards 154.45, and your current 360 low is 153.55. So we should be putting our stop at 153.50, and TP at 154.40 or 20, and entry must be anywhere somewhere between that. So this is going to be the dollar yen. Okay, this is going to be a range with an upside bias on the daily, and a range upside breakout on the 360. So both are moving in the same direction. So we expect the price to move higher. So now our entry, I think we can, because our stop has to be at 55. So if we are going for a tight entry, then let's see our 2 hours 2022. This is going to last for only for another 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes, and we can, if we can continue, we can see higher. Okay, so what we will do is we'll try to buy this cross again. We'll try to buy at 85, stop at 60, and put a conservative exit at 5425. So that means about 40 pips, and this one is only for 40 minutes to half an hour to 1 hour. This is, we can't give a longer working for this, because this is going to be near the price. So this is only about 40 pips move, and we only give another 40 minutes of entry. So this is for dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen and yen crosses are showing, because I think the dollar strength is coming off too strong, against all. Okay, now I think we can look into. Uh, just give me a minute. I want to enter this trade also. Just. Okay, pound. Pound is also giving us a break. Okay, pound is breaking the previous support 70. So we should see the price moving towards 35, 35 or even lower. Okay, but that again depends on the time available. So we can sell pound at 80, stop at 12905, about 25 pips, and TP at 12850. Okay, so this is a about 30 pips move we can get on the pound. Thirty to 35 pips, and this is again, this is a expiry only about 40 minutes. Okay, so let me key in this order as well. Okay, I want to key in this order as well. So these two orders, I think we can enter the market. That we can try to enter near the market, which is pound and the dollar yen. Okay, then let me see. Okay, euro also showing weakness. Okay, euro dollar is also showing weakness. Okay, I think this is also breaking the low, but the problem is this is approaching the target. So this one is, I think we can only enter at least about 10-20 pips higher. So I'm not sure whether we'll be getting it. Let me see. Yeah, we can sell at 10655. Stop at one. Okay, 60, 90, and 25. Okay, 60, 90, and 25. Okay, okay, this one is also a momentum trade. Okay, and this one is the 10660, 85, and 106 30, about 30 pips. No, it's only about 30 pips available. Again, this is only until 10, or maybe we can give slightly longer because there is no data. Okay, probably we'll put about another one, maybe 1 hour. Okay, and again, this one is the trade plan is. Let me share with you the trade plan. All these three trades. Just now, I've give you this euro dollar, pound, dollar, yen. This is the TP. That means the trade plan is we should not be expecting beyond the targets which we were given. That's one. Second is also the the time. Okay, the time we can't give more than 1.5 hours. More 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Once the order is filled, okay, we believe that we should be closing the trade because the reason is this is trading near all critical levels. I mean, all these are approaching the important critical levels if you see. So we got to exit fast. Okay, we don't have to hold on for a big profit, because this is very critical and this is approaching the price target. So we got to be nimble and we got to be very careful on this. But that once again, and of course, if this low breaks, then it's a different scenario. We may see the price moving even lower. But the problem today we have is because US is on bank holiday, Canada is on bank holiday. No, there's no data. So, and the dollar strength we are seeing now is all, I think, is mainly due to thin volume. So all these factors are playing a part. So we got to be very careful. Okay, just take 10-20 pips out, then we wait for tomorrow when the volume comes back and everything is normal, then we can go for a bigger profit. So until then, I think we got to be very careful and very fast in taking out your profits. Okay, so I think this four trades is good enough. Gold. Let me share with you the screen again. So we are trying to sell euro for 30 pips move, and that's what is available for the TP 120. Okay, TP 120 means trading plan 120 minutes. That means we don't give more than 2 hours for this. Then for the pound, also we are only looking about 35 pips move. So the risk is about 25, and stake the TP is about 35, and we are not looking more than that because again this is also TP is only 120. That means the trade plan, we don't want to give more than 2 hours for this trade. Then the dollar yen, we are looking at about 40 pips profit, and this is also again the most we can do is TP 120 or 240, not more than that. That means until 11 23:30 Singapore time, we have to lock in our profit, whatever we are making, whether we are making 10 pips, 20 pips. I think we just have to close the trade and we have to exit. And as of the gold is concerned, okay, I think it's coming off now. Okay, this is okay, let me see. Okay, I think we can lower by another 20 pips. Okay, lower it to 48. Okay, we don't want to take much risk. So lower it to 48, stop at 45, and TP at 2655. Okay, can I quickly change this order? So because this is coming off uh, uh, faster than expected. So I think our risk is only about 30 pips. And the TP, I think we want to put at 55 or 58, not more than that. And this is again this move. Let me see one more round. Just give me one one more round for this, because gold is a bit, we have to be a bit careful. Okay, current week low is 49 half. Previous week low is 46 half. Okay, 46 half. I tell you what, the gold, is it possible to cancel? I think we better cancel, because looks like it's good. It's getting weaker, you know. I think it's going to break. Okay, please cancel the order, please. Please cancel, please. Okay, try to cancel, because I think it's more weakness is seen. So I hope you cancel. If your orders get filled, try to close at cost. Then we try to re-enter. Okay. So this one, I think it is going to break the low. Okay, it is going to break the low, and we just have to closely monitor this. Okay, we'll see how low can it go. Okay, let me see if I can do any projection on this. Okay, I think it already broke the low. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to uh, enter a shot at 52. Early on, our sell was 63. I think that one, I think we have to bring it down to 52 or 55. Okay, let me see that thing. Okay, stop is 58 half, and entry is 52 half or 50 55. Okay, 55 is the level, 55 or 54. Okay, so what we will do is I think this break has happened, so we just have to wait for the pullback. In fact, okay, let's wait for the pullback. And this 63, I think we have missed the entry, so we'll try to entry at 53 and 58. And this one, I think we can afford to go lower. Okay, even 38 or 38 half. Okay, I think the pound also we have missed. Okay, it's moving lower. 128.60. Dollar yen also looks like we have missed the entry. Dollar yen, euro, all, I think literally all we have missed. So I think we can't be chasing it. So see, the gold is already 40 now, you know. So we still have to wait for it to get stable. Okay, that stability, and we are looking somewhere near 38 or even 30. About 30. So let's see how low it can go, then we can go for a buy. But as of now, I think we have missed it, and if we take it, then I think we will get caught, and we'll be losing money unnecessarily. So let it go, let it go, and let this, because it's already broke the support. So I think more weakness is expected. Okay, at least 22 or even lower, which is 26, 05 or 7. So let's see this monitor closely, and we missed it. And in fact, today is already $40 move, which we should have been capitalized on it, but I think we missed that move again. Okay, so I think we wait for the next signals. So as of now, even the 53 pullback, I don't think is going to happen. Okay, so let's see whether we can give you a tighter pullback. Okay, if we are planning to enter, okay, the next pullback, we should be trying to enter at 46 or 45 half. Okay, that should be your 46 or 48 with a stop 50, 53. Okay, let's see when it comes back, 46, 48 should hold, because of the previous support. So let's see whether we can revise this. I think we don't have to. Very disappointing. Okay, you're 53. Let's try to reduce one last time. We should have been in this trade. Again, we missed it. 48 half, 53, and this one I think is going lower. Try to change. Remember, I told you 30, 38 half. Okay, let's this be the last revision of this price, because we already missed it. So we are trying to chase it. Yeah. So the price should not go above 48.53. So these are the next two levels which we are looking for some retracement. So as of now, we can't do anything. We have already missed it. Wait for it to get stable. So then, because another thing is also trading below previous week low. So it's quite dangerous to go for a buy and chase the thing. So I think let it get stable. Okay. I think with that, I think we missed a few entries. So let's see. I mean, early on, I think sometimes this happens in trading, so we can't do much. So let's see. Think then we wait for one more signals to come out. Then after that, then we'll see. If not, then today is not the day. We have to come tomorrow. So that's the only way we can get back on track. Okay. Thank you, and see you again tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.